Two-piece internal corner. Place the inner part of the corner profile over the base profile. Attach the profile with screws into the pre-drilled holes. Clean cut the first panel against the corner profile. Adjust the length of the panel to the sealing. Clean the cut edges. Apply Fibo Seal. Lubricate with Fibo Sealing Tool. All cut edges should be sealed. It is important that the first panel is plumb. The panels are installed from left to right. Clean with Fibo Clean. Seal with Fibo Seal or other approved sealants. Install the visible part of the corner profile. Using the Fibo Tapping Tool, gently tap it into place. The sealant should be pushed out the entire length of the corner profile. Fibo Clean is sprayed on excess sealant and removed with Fibo Sealing Tool. Clean with Fibo wipes for the best result.